Hi, I'm Jennifer Queen with the Jennifer Queen team and RE/MAX Professionals, and today we're in one of my favorite communities, Transcona. Transcona is a suburb of Winnipeg, Manitoba, and first became incorporated as a town in 1912, then later became the city of Transcona in 1961. Well, the city of Transcona didn't last long, as it ultimately became a member of the city of Winnipeg 11 years later in 1972. The borders that encompass the neighborhood are St. Boniface Road to the south, Lagimodiere Boulevard to the west, the CPR Keewatin Railway tracks to the north, and the Perimeter Highway to the east. This is a very broad area, and we know it. There are many sub-areas within Transcona, and I'm going to give you a brief list, but some of which include East and West Transcona, Canterbury Park, Canterbury Crossing, Summerlee, Kildonan Meadows, Lakeside Meadows, Mission Gardens, Devonshire Village, Starlight Village, Crocus Meadows, just to name a few. We will have to break down the smaller areas for you in another video or several other videos. So Transcona had a ton of development begin really in the start of the 20th century that has continued on to today with newer areas such as Summerlee, which is just off Gun Road, as well as Canterbury Crossing, which is getting closer to Dugald Road in the perimeter. Now what you'll find in this area in terms of property options are that you have a real spread. There's older, smaller homes that start at much more affordable price points, all the way up to large lakefront lots in the newer development with substantial homes. You'll also find some condominium options in the area, as well as attached townhouse style or just attached single-family residences as well. Today, Transcona is home to over 35,000 residents and is continuing to expand. It is primarily a working-class residential suburb with some light industry. The average annual household income within the area is $74,693. It is a family-oriented community with approximately 63.4% of households with children at home. Approximately 88.4% of the homes within the area are also owner-occupied. Development in the area began at the turn of the 20th century, but continues now with new phases still being released in Canterbury Crossing, Summerlee, and Devonshire Village. The neighborhood is located about 12 kilometers from the downtown core or Canada Life Centre, 22 kilometers from the Investors Group Field, and 20 kilometers from the James Armstrong International Airport. While some of these distances may seem long, Transcona is well known for its proximity to the Perimeter Highway, which allows for quick and easy transportation to many areas either in or outside the city. Now you can't talk about Transcona without talking about its ties to the rail line, and no pun intended. Transcona was founded in 1909 as the site of the repair shops for the Grand Trunk Pacific and National Transcontinental Railways. The name Transcona was chosen to commemorate the railway to which the town owed its existence. It is claimed that the name Transcona was chosen from thousands of contest entries and was a combination of Transcontinental and Strathcona. Regardless of how the neighborhood got its name, the prospect of steady employment brought hundreds of people to the area. Here's some fun facts for you. Transcona's first mayor was elected in May of 1912, Mr. C.J.E. Maxwell. He was the only candidate running for the position at the time. The town then experienced severe economic hardship during the 20s and went bankrupt in 21. The mayor and council were required to resign. The province administered the town of Transcona until 1927 when a town council was elected. During the Depression of the 30s, the community faced chronic unemployment, railway layoffs, and many economic hardships. To provide employment, Regent Avenue was paved as a relief project. The new cement highway was paved from Transcona to Winnipeg at a cost of $135,000. Now let's talk about the school systems. Transcona is part of the River East School Division and is the second largest public school division in the province of Manitoba. For elementary schools, there are 8 public school options within the area. These include 5 English kindergarten to grade 5 options, which include Joseph Therese School, Radisson School, Westview School, Wayota Elementary School, and Harold Hatcher Elementary School. Bernie Wolf, which also offers elementary school programming from grades kindergarten to grade 8. For French programming, there are 2 options within the area offering curriculum for students from kindergarten to grade 4. Those are École Centrale and École Margaret Underhill. There are also 4 middle public schools within the area. Bernie Wolf, which we mentioned, with programming from kindergarten through to grade 8. And then there's John W. Gunn Middle School and Arthur Day Middle School, both with English programming from grade 6 to grade 8. For French programming, there is 1 middle school, that is École Regent Park School, and they offer programming from grade 4 to grade 8. For public secondary school, English students will attend either Murdoch-McKay Collegiate or Transcona Collegiate, which is often called TCI. French students will attend College Pierre Elliott Trudeau, which is adjacent to Murdoch-McKay. The school your child ends up attending will largely be determined by catchment area or your particular address. With many schools at capacity, school of choice is sometimes not an option within the area, so just keep that in mind when you're looking for homes. In addition to the public school system, there are 2 private school options within the area. One is a Catholic school called St. Joseph the Worker that provides education for students from pre-kindergarten through to grade 6. Emmanuel Christian School, which is an independent Christian school located in Mission Gardens with programming in English from kindergarten through to grade 12. And then Calvin Christian Collegiate, which is an independent Christian high school with programming for students from grade 7 through to grade 12. There are no post-secondary options within the area, but Transcona is located approximately 20 kilometers from the University of Manitoba Fort Garry campus and 12 kilometers from the University of Winnipeg. There are no major hospitals in the immediate area. However, the community is less than 10 kilometers from the Concordia Hospital, and there are also a couple of walk-in clinics in the area stretching from anywhere on Lagimodiere Boulevard to the heart of Transcona along Regent Avenue. The newly constructed Transcona Library is situated at 1 Transcona Boulevard and replaces the former library that was located on Victoria Avenue. Transcona Historical Museum is located at 141 Regent Avenue West and is worth a visit. Their mission is to maintain and promote the history, stories, and community spirit of Transcona. Transcona offers great opportunity for shopping within its immediate area. Whether it be the smaller, more mom and pop type of stores that you can find in Old Transcona or Kildonan Place Mall that is further west along Regent, there is something really for everyone. Major anchors at the Kildonan Place Mall include Shoppers Drug Mart, Dollarama, HomeSense and Winners, Save on Foods, among many others. There's also a movie theater located within this mall. Surrounding the Kildonan Place Mall, there are a number of large retail outlets as well. These include Costco, Canadian Tire, Best Buy, Superstore, Walmart, Home Depot, and more. Transcona also offers a number of playgrounds, parks, splash pads, outdoor rinks, and 4 major community clubs, and 1 indoor arena with 3 ice surfaces. Park City West, Oxford Heights, Ed Golding Memorial Arena, often called the East End Community Club, and South Transcona Community Club organize a variety of recreational activities throughout the year. East End Community Club is the home to the Manitoba Major Junior Hockey League team, the Transcona Railer Express. Transcona Golf and Country Club is an 18-hole facility located in South Transcona, which offers a wide range of memberships along with very reasonable green fee rates for the public. The golf club has earned the reputation of being beautiful, challenging, yet affordable. Golf Central is another golf facility in Transcona at 775 Plessis Road. It has 20 outdoor heated tee boxes as well as 4 virtual golf simulators. Transcona has the expansive Transcona Trail, which is a multi-use asphalt path that is 6.7 kilometers in length and used by walkers, runners, and cyclists. It follows a variety of hydro lines along the Manitoba Hydro right-of-way. It starts at Regent Avenue and runs to the east perimeter. It has a variety of points of interest worth visiting along the path, which include Rotary Tallgrass Prairie Nature Park, the Train Park, the off-leash dog area, the Transcona Trail Park, and the Transcona Community Bioreserve. The South Transcona Community Path provides a fully separated walking and cycling path along Dougald Road. It runs from the intersection of Terracon Place and Dougald Road out to the suburb of South Transcona. The path is 3.5 meters wide, asphalt surface, and is 4.2 kilometers in length. The Transcona Kinsman Centennial Pool was opened in the summer of 2017. It is at the corner of Kildare Avenue East and Wabasha Street. It features a large outdoor pool, splash pad, beach entries with spray features, diving boards, 4 water slides, and ample seating. Fun tidbit for you, this new water park is now the largest water park in all of Winnipeg. Another popular attraction within the area is Club Regent Casino, located at 1425 Regent Avenue West. It is one of 2 casinos in the city. Both are owned and operated by the Manitoba Lotteries Corporation. Connected to the casino is the Canad Inn's Club Regent Hotel. The casino contains a McDonald's restaurant as well as a concert stage on which regular comedy and musical performances are scheduled. It's really worth a visit. So one of my favorite things about Transcona living is the amount of green spaces that are abundant throughout the community. You'll find it's a very family-oriented community, and they put a lot of attention and focus on just communal outdoor spaces. So right now we're in George Olive Park, which has walking trails, the pond behind me, as well as large football fields that you'll find many Transconians spend their summer evenings watching their kids play football or even soccer sometimes. It's a great community to explore, both outdoors as well as shopping in the area. But yes, the greenery is definitely one of the best parts of the area.
I love my neighborhood because we are called the Park City, and look at here we are at one of the amazing parks.
I love Transcona because City Hall has never even heard of us, and yet we look after the place. The area is always beautiful, the people are friendly, and it's just an all-around great place to live.
It's just a nice, quiet neighborhood to live. Lots of places you can walk to, good access to busing. It's kind of everything you need in the neighborhood. There's lots of restaurants. Yeah, just that's about it. Just a great place to live.
I like this neighborhood mostly because it's near to the grocery stores and everything is very nearby in Transcona. So I just stay in the near Devonshire Village, so it's very near to all amenities here. I don't need to drive like 30-40 minutes. It's just like 10-15 minutes away. And there is a nice walk here. Every day in summer I come here for walks, so this is a very nice area.
The trail here is really great to walk on. People here are friendly, and yeah, that's all I have to say.
So thanks so much for watching this video about Transcona and all that it has to offer. It's a great community, and we're sure you'll feel the same. If you like the content from today, guys, please feel free to hit that like button below. It really helps us in determining what kind of content to come up with. Also, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button below, because we plan to put out a ton of content this year and every year, and it helps us to get that information out to you. And again, if you are watching this video and you have not seen a community covered that you would like to see covered in one of our future videos, feel free to leave it in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us determine what content we should be producing. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, guys.